So if you have the Huawei Health app on your phone and it's not showing the app gallery, here's why. Now, according to Huawei on their official page, you can see at consumer.huawei.com, they say one of the reasons why the app gallery is not showing on your Huawei Health app is because the feature is not supported when your watch is paired with an iPhone. So one of the problems could be that you paired your watch with your iPhone, so that feature is not going to be supported. I mean, you can still have the Huawei Health app and you can connect your device and use it, but you won't be able to, when you look for the app gallery, you won't be able to see it if you're using an iPhone. So that's one. Number two, that feature may not be supported on Huawei Watch GT2 or Huawei Watch GT2e. So those are the two main reasons. Now, if you're not having any of those problems, if you're using an Android phone and you don't have any of these watches, and you're still not seeing the app gallery, then you might want to try and switch the location of your Huawei Health app. You could try maybe and log out or create a new account. Maybe log out, and then when you're logging in, it normally asks you to choose your region, and then you can try and change that. But that is exactly why you don't have the app gallery in the Huawei Health app of your phone. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. If you found this useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Good luck.